So we have one more last option, and that is to include the sizes attribute. Now this might look weird in the beginning, but the sizes attribute has two values. The first is the media condition. So the last item in the list doesn't have that condition. The last item is 1920. It doesn't have a media condition, and that is used when every other media condition is not met. For the first media condition, we are saying when the viewport is 800 pixels or less, then the source size value is going to be 640. For the second, we say when the viewport is 1500 pixels or less, then the source size value is 1280. Now, how does this differentiate from using just source set? In using sizes, we are suggesting what should be used. Without sizes, once an image is greater than 640, it would have used the 2x. But with the sizes, I have said, don't do that unless it is greater than 800. That is why we have max with 800. Now let's test that. If I adjust this width to, let's say, around 670, normally this should have been 2x because it is greater than 640. Originally, with just using the source set, the browser would have chosen the 2x image by now. But because of the sizes attributes, we are now suggesting what should be done, or a preferential way of treating the images. And in the new way, it is only if the width is greater than 800, that is when it crosses over. So once I cross over 800, we now see our 2x image is used. So the sizes attribute complements the source set and helps tell the browser, hey, okay, I know you have a bunch of images, but here is what we would like you to do with the images. Without sizes, the browser will make its own decision using the source set links and then the size of the images. But sometimes you want to tamper with that a little bit and choose what you want. You can use sizes. So these are different ways of, working around it, and we can even increase it more. And even by now, normally we should have had 3x, but we don't. Until we cross the second limit we set before we finally reach 3x. Such a beautiful dog.